Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to crochet this baby blanket. I used 4 warm colors and you can see in the description box which colors and yarn I used for this project. And I used 4.5mm crochet hook. If you prefer written pattern, you can visit my Etsy store. There is a written pattern for this blanket in 3 sizes. You have link in description box. Now, chain 109. 1, 2, 3, continue until 109 chains. And now make 1/2 double crochet into each chain. Start with the second chain from the hook. So 1/2 double crochet into each chain. Start from second chain from the hook. So you should have 108 chains altogether. So this is first half double crochet. This is second half double crochet. This is your third half double crochet. And continue until end of this row. So 108 half double crochets. At the end of the row, chain 1 and turn your work. Now row number 2, start with 2 half double crochets. So make 1 half double crochet into the first stitch. So as you can see, chain 1 doesn't count as a stitch. 1 half double crochet into the next stitch. And now we will start bubble. So yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch. Yarn over, pull up the loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Just 2 loops. So you should have 2 loops on your hook. Now yarn over again, insert your hook into the same stitch, yarn over, pull up the loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. So you should have now 3 loops on your hook, and then again yarn over, insert your hook into the same stitch, yarn over, pull up the loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. You should have 4 loops on your hook. Now yarn over and pull through all loops. This is your first bubble. And now make 1 half double crochet into the next 3 stitches. So 1, 2 and 3, and make another bubble into the next stitch. So now bubble into the next stitch. And continue working like this. So bubble, 3 half double crochet, bubble, 3 half double crochet, bubble, 3 half double crochet until the end of this row. I will meet you at the end. At the end of the row number 2, make your last bubble. And make 1 half double crochet into the last stitch. So just 1 half double crochet at the end of this row. Make chain 1 and turn your work. And in row 3, make just 1 half double crochet into each stitch across. So make 108 half double crochets. 1 half double crochet into each stitch. Row 4, make 1 half double crochet into the first 4 stitches. So first half double crochet, second half double crochet, third half double crochet, and last one. Then make 1 bubble into the next stitch. And make 1 half double crochet into the next 3 stitches. And continue working like this. 1 bubble, 1 half double crochet into the next 3 stitches. 1 bubble, 1 half double crochet into the next 3 stitches. Continue until end of this row. I will meet you at the end. At the end of this row, make just one half double crochet into the last 3 stitches. One half double crochet, second half double crochet, and the last stitch can get quite tight and might not look like a stitch, but it is a stitch, so third half double crochet. Be careful here. And now cut the yarn, leave longer tail to wave end in. Let's change color. Now I will use pink yarn, so I'm gonna change color now. So I made a loosely knot, and now insert your hook into first stitch, make a knot tight, pull through the loop, chain one, yes, sorry. And now make one half double crochet into each stitch. Start in the same stitch, so in the very first stitch make one half double crochet and make one half double crochet into each stitch across, so 108 half double crochets altogether. And now in row number 6, make one half double crochet into the next 2 stitches. So basically we will repeat here row number 2, and then make bubble stitch in the next stitch, and then when you finish your bubble, make one half double crochet into the next 3 stitches. So 1, 2, 3, and make another bubble stitch and continue work in this manner until end of this row. So bubble stitch, one half double crochet into the next 3 stitches, bubble stitch, one half double crochet into the next 3 stitches. And at the end of this row, make just one half double crochet into the last stitch, then chain one and turn your work. And in row number 7, make just one half double crochet into each stitch, so 108 half double crochet. And row number 8, make one half double crochet into the next 4 stitches, so 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then make bubble stitch into the next stitch, so bubble in the next stitch, and then make one half double crochet into the next 3 stitches, so 1, 2, 3, and then again bubble stitch, 3 half double crochet, bubble stitch, 3 half double crochet. Continue working this until end of this row. At the end of this row, make one half double crochet into the last 3 stitches. So 1 half double crochet, 2 half double crochet, and in 3 also half double crochet, then cut your yarn. Yes, and now repeat rows from 5 to 8, changing color every 4 rows. Now I'm using yellow color, and my next color is light pink, but as I said, you can find all colors in the description box. So first I'm gonna repeat row number 5, then I'm gonna repeat row number 6, then 7, and then 8. Then I will change color for light pink and will repeat all rows again. And repeat that step as long as you want your blanket is. I'll meet you when I have my all rows done. I've done my rows. Now I'm gonna show you how to make a border. So I want a peach border. As you can see, we will start in the corner, so chain 1 and make 2 half double crochet into the stitch. So 2 half double crochet into the stitch. Then chain 2, 1 and 2, and make 2 half double crochet into the same stitch. So 1 and 2, and this is our corner. Now what you have to do is skip 1 stitch and make 2 half double crochet into the next stitch. So skip next stitch and make 2 half double crochet into the next stitch. 1 and 2. Then again skip next stitch and make 2 half double crochet into the next stitch. Continue your work all around. So 2 half double crochet in the next stitch, skip next stitch. And again into the corner make 2 half double crochet, chain 2 and make 2 half double crochet into the same stitch. Now on the sides, skip first row and make 2 half double crochet into the next row. So we will skip first row and yes, we will make 2 half double crochet into the next row. Again skip next row and make 2 half double crochet into the next row. Continue until end of this edge. At the end of the first round, slip stitch to the first stitch like this, and now slip stitch to the chain 2 space, chain 1 and make 2 half double crochet into chain 2 space. So 1 half double crochet, 2 half double crochet, now chain 2. So as you can see we are doing corner again, chain 2 and another 2 half double crochet into the same chain 2 space. Now make 2 half double crochet into each chain, into each space. So first and second half double crochet into first space, then again 2 half double crochet into the next space, and continue it all around. Remember how to work in corners. We will work 2 half double crochet, chain 2 and 2 half double crochet into corners and 2 half double crochet into each space. And just slip stitch to the first stitch at the end of the round. Cut your yarn and wave end in. So that's me finish the blanket. Blanket is really soft and I love bubble stitch. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please leave thumb up and subscribe to my channel. Bye!